For bird dogs, you're going to start off with just arms, and as you get stronger and progress, you can add your legs as well. So you'll start in a quadruped position. When you're doing just arms, it's just that. Reaching an arm out, maintaining a flat back, exhaling on the reach. As you get stronger and you'd like to make it a little bit more difficult, you can add an opposite leg in. So right arm, left leg, maintaining a flat back. And then switching arms and legs. This is not meant to be done for speed. This is meant to be more of a slow and controlled movement.